Yeah, this is me in my son getting pulled around by an ice master over there. I can put these guys away and they have this ultimate. Oh, it's gonna hurt. I gotta put my studs in the tires of my X-Max and this thing is a full like no tomorrow. Oh, it's like a little kid again.